Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the canvas. Open Freeform, pick the shape or pen tool, and set a fill color and opacity so you can preview coverage. Draw a closed path. If edges gap, use grid or snapping to align in points because fills only apply to sealed areas. Once your path is closed, switch to the fill option or bucket tool. This initial closure step matters. Without it, the software treats the area as open, so no consistent fill will occur. After sealing the shape, refine edges by editing nodes. Merge overlapping points, delete stray handles, or nudge vertices until the path is watertight. Once done, use layer order or a clipping mask to confine the fill to just that object. This prevents accidental spills into adjacent art. If you want nuance, apply a gradient or pattern, and then preview at full and reduced zoom to confirm smooth transitions. Make sure to save a version. To finish, confirm color and stroke harmony, then export in your target format while retaining an editable master for future tweaks. If you encounter leaks where the fill bleeds outside the intended shape, zoom in to inspect for micro gaps or overlapping segments. Those are the usual culprits. When small gaps persist, rebuild a short section of the path or temporarily join endpoints. If automated fills still fail, use a manual brush fill and lock the layer to preserve edges. This workaround saves time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.